Hey guys, good morning! I'm late. Once more. That habit will never change. I have to be at the factory in 15 minutes because my intern is there. Actually, I'm supposed to be there at 10 and it is 9:58. And since we're moving out of the garment district, we're moving to New Jersey, we're gonna just adjust until we finally get another office back in New York City in the garment district. But that's another video for another time. Sadly, the rent is pretty high. It is New York City. So right now I'm in a rush. Hopefully I'm giving you the right angles. And let's head to work.
Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I don't think I've ever seen the factory like this. Hey, what's up? This is my intern, Sherry. I didn't think it would be this bad. Jesus Christ. This really upsets me because like this has literally been my childhood. So it's like, it's weird to see it's empty. Oh my God. I know for a fact this week is definitely gonna be the last week we're here. It's so empty now. Legit empty. Deadass, everyone is getting moved out.
Cause who else left? Oh, they took them off.
Mudo's still there.
Mudo's gone.
Mudo's gone?
Mudo's gone. Mudo's been gone. Mudo's been gone. Mudo's been gone like maybe like 2-3 months now. Keep in Touch is gone. They're gone. 1867.
1867 is gone.
And now you saying you guys 10.
Now the 10th floor is gone. We're gone.
No, don't push this point.
Welcome to the garment district. It's crazy. Yeah, it is. We're back, man. NYC factory. Hello? Okay.
What else? What are your projections? Increasing your target market?
Since we have no tables here at the factory, I have to eat on the floor. That's great. Oh, I have my bottle of water. Great. All right. Being somewhat healthy and somewhat not healthy. Pasta, clearly unhealthy. Rice, clearly unhealthy. Meats, somewhat healthy. You know how YouTubers look when they're like talking to a camera? They look pretty crazy. Like I look pretty crazy right now talking to a camera. Fashion don't stop. It's really stressful. It is what it is. He already left? Oh, okay. Have a good one. So, we're taking the workers to the new factory. We're just showing them the way to get to the factory from New York to the New Jersey factory that we have here. Suite 7. So, we finished the day. I know it looks really weird from Sherry's perspective, how I'm talking to a camera, but I think it's pretty normal from the camera point of view. So yeah, I'm exhausted. And I finally got a tripod, so success. We have a sewing machine right there, and I didn't record it because I can't record. finally home. Jesus Christ, I am finally home. Home sweet home!